Hello guys, Brian Sebastian here for Brian Tutorials. Today we're gonna talk about complex numbers. If you do like this video, please press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After you watch this video, you're gonna learn about what is complex numbers, how to know where it is in a number line, and how to classify complex numbers. So, complex numbers. It is a combination of real and imaginary numbers. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the solution for the equation x squared is equals to -1, because no real number satisfies this equation. So therefore, I is called an imaginary number. For the complex number a plus bi, a is called the real part and b is called the imaginary part. Geometrically, complex numbers extend the concept of the one-dimensional number line to the two-dimensional complex plane by using the horizontal axis for the real part and the vertical axis for the imaginary part. The complex number a plus bi can be identified with the point a and b in the complex plane. A complex number whose real part is 0 is said to be purely imaginary. The points for these numbers lie on the vertical axis of the complex plane. A complex number whose imaginary part is 0 can be viewed as a real number. Its point lies on the horizontal axis of the number plane. Complex numbers can also be represented in polar form, which associates each complex number with its distance from the origin and with a particular angle known as the argument of this complex number. So a plus bi. The a and b are the real numbers, while a is the real part and bi is the imaginary part. How can you show this in the number line? So this horizontal line is the real part and this b or the vertical line is the imaginary part. This line here, re means real and im means imaginary. So when you're said to graph the point of the complex number, you need the a and the b. So if your a is 5 and then your b is also 5, let's try to solve this. So your a is 5 plus 5i. So let's say that this one is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then your b is 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So your point will be a 5 plus 5 of b. So your point will be this one. So that is the point of 5 plus 5i. So here's another example of a complex number. Let's try to solve this. So a plus bi. Our a would be 3. So let's try 0, 1, 2, then 3. Our b is 2. So 1, 2. Our point will be here. That is 3 plus 2i. Let's see which part is the real and which part is the imaginary. So 3 is the real part and 2i is the imaginary part. Okay, so on to our next example. 5 plus 3i. So 5 a plus b I. So our a is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our b is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So our point will be here. This is 5 plus 3i. So the real part is number 5 and the imaginary part is 3. So on to our third part. Let's draw this. So a plus b I. Our a would be negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our negative 5. Now our b is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So our point for our complex numbers is negative 5 plus 4i. This is our point. So this is our point of negative 5 plus 4i. The real part is negative 5 and the imaginary part is 4. So on to our fourth example. Let's try 6 plus 3i. And a plus b I. So our a would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So this is our a, 6. Then our b is 3. 1, 2, then 3. Our 6 plus 3i is here. This is the point of 6 plus 3i. 6 plus 3i. Our real part is 6 and our imaginary part is 3. Our fifth example is negative 3 plus 2i. So negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Then 2i, 1, then 2. So this is our point. This is our negative 3 plus 2i. The real part is negative 3 and the imaginary part is 2. I will provide something for you to solve. You can pause this video and solve for yourself. So number 1 is negative 3 plus 2i. Number 2 is negative 2 plus 3i. Number 3 is 1 plus negative 2i. Then number 4 would be negative 3 plus 4i. And then our number 5 would be 3 plus 2i. Okay, pause this video and try to solve it for yourself. Okay, the answer for number 1 is this. So draw this one. Then -3 would be -1, -2, -3. That's your A. And then your B is 2. So 1 and 2. So your point will be on this one. This is your -3 plus 2i. The -3 is your real part, then the 2 is your imaginary part. And the answer for number 2 is this. So -2, -1, -2 plus 3i. 1, 1, 2, then 3. So your point will be on this one. This is your -2 plus 3i. Your real part is the -2, while your imaginary part is 3. The answer for number 3 is this. And let's make this straight. So your A plus BI. This is B. So your A is 1. Your B is -2. So that will be 1, -1, -2. Your point will be on this one. This is your 1 plus -2i. The real part is 1. The imaginary part is -2. Okay, so let's solve for number 4. Let's draw this one. Then A plus BI. Let's determine what is our A and B. So our A is -3. -3 is -1, -2, -3. Our B is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's determine our point. And 1. So our point will be in this one. This is our -3 plus 4i. Let's make this straight. So determine the real and the imaginary part. So the real part is -3, only -3, and then the imaginary part is 4. Here, 4. Is your answers correct? So this is our last question. Then it is 3 plus 2i. So 3, this is 1, 2, and 3. And then 2i, 1, and 2. Your A is 3, and then your B is 2. And then your point is here. It's here. So this is 3 plus 2i. Your real part is 3. And then your imaginary part is 2. That's it for our tutorial video. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please press that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment another topic if you want me to make another tutorial video about mathematics. Thank you.